I just chose to make this video this morning. And this video is particularly from Facebook. I'm going to post it. It's been a long time I've not posted anything I've not been on Facebook anyway, because it's a toxic place. I don't usually pay much attention on Facebook. If you want to find me, you find me on YouTube. That's where I am. Okay. But I found the need to say this morning. I found the need to say this because I was scrolling. I saw something that got my attention. And this thing is against the good people of Wahala, from Ebuka Obi and his ministry, so-called ministry. I saw on a certain page where a young boy were being carried by some group of people. They said allegedly the guy was being shot by a police officer in Zion. Let me just quote it: Zion Prayer Ministry ground at Ngokbwala. And this guy that was being shot is an indigenous of Ngokbwala. So this got my attention. I was like, what is the cause of this? I mean, to this extent, an innocent, unarmed indigenous of Ngokbwala was being shot dead in Zion Prayer Ministry ground. Bro, this is uncalled for. They say if you call a spade a spade. Call a spade a spade. You see, let me tell you something. You see, the evil that you are covering up today, will definitely haunt you tomorrow. The evil that you cover up today will definitely haunt you tomorrow. Enwere ihe ndị banye na-atụ n'ilu ha sị ọ bịara nke onye abịa gbule ya ọlawala aka mkpukpu afụla ya. Ebuka Obi is a stranger in Ngokbwala that came claiming to bring development in the land of Ngokbwala. The development you brought to the land of Ngokbwala is to massacre or to kill the good people of Ngokbwala. Is that the development? And I see your members trolling all over social media, abusing, insulting, throwing words, and I keep asking, is this a ministry? Is this a court or a ministry? I'm still wondering. See, we have a long way to go in Nigeria. We have a very, very long way. We don't value life again. Life is worthless. Life is what even the people you can confide on, even the people you can put your confidence and trust, which is the pastor. For me, I do not believe in any pastor. In fact, if you come to me to do business with me and you tell me I'm a man of God, I'm a pastor, I will cancel the business because I do not like them. I despise them with everything inside me because 99.9% of them are fake. 99% of these so-called men of God, they are fake. Minus tithe, offering, and seed from church. I'm telling you, for gospel truth, you will find these people nowhere. You can never find them in the ministry. You unalive somebody. Oh my goodness. Well, I will rest my case, but what I will say here is, whatever you sow today, you will definitely reap it tomorrow. Whatever you sow today, it is waiting for you somewhere tomorrow. If you think that you have the power and the influence to ride on people, listen. Community, and individuals can never cook for community. If community cook for you, you can never finish it. But if you cook for community, they will finish it. That is a proverb. You are oppressing them, despite that you came to their community. You grabbed over 30,000 hectares of land, allegedly. That's what I heard. Over 30,000 hectares of land without paying nothing. You paid nothing. And on top of that, you are adding salt on the injury by unaliving the innocent indigenous of that community. How do you think that you'll be successful on that project? And I watch videos where you are making mouth, you are turning it to Dubai, this and that. Bro, this is your personal business. This is your personal business. They are not doing. In fact, let me tell you something. The hospital that you are claiming to build there, the schools you are claiming to build, it's not for free. It's not a free education. It's not for free. It's not like OPM. It's not for free. People are going to pay. People are going to pay to be attended in that hospital. People are going to pay to attend to that school. Even the hotels. What you are building there is hotels. That's all you are building there right now. Hotels. People are going to pay money before they can lodge in that hotel. So it's business. Obviously, it's business. It's business. Why are we so mean that we do not even value our own lives anymore? We value properties. We value property more than even lives. The young man that you unalived today, because of where, oh my goodness, I mean, Nigerians have a long way to go. In fact, you see, I've told you guys time without number. Government is not our problem. Government is not our problem. We are our own problem. Until the day we change our mindset, we start reasoning and thinking like human beings, government would never take us serious. If church can do this, if church and ministry can do this to human being, we are still crying that over 200 people were being massacred in Benue State few days ago, and we're still crying that same Benue State, that same Yewata, Benue State, about four police officers were being killed few days ago. And you, as a pastor, that should be praying to protect people's life, is unaliving innocent unarmed citizen of Nigeria. And I can tell you for free that this thing, they will water it down and nothing will happen still, because they have the money, the power, and the influence. This is how bad it has become. This is how bad Nigeria has become. This is how bad Nigeria has become. How long are we going to be doing this? How long? How long? You came to my community, you grabbed my property by force with governor's influence. You grabbed my property, and I'm asking you, please, can you come and settle me? I'm not even doing it in a violent way. I say, please, can you come and settle me? It's as simple as ABCD. As a child of God that you claim to be. For me, I don't consider you as an evangelist, because you have not proven to me that you are an evangelist. That's what they call you. I see it as like it's a title. But to me, you are not an evangelist to me. That's how I see you. Instead of you to do the needful, because you know that this is your personal business. This is not government project. This is individual project. This is your personal business. Instead of you to come and settle the community, what you did is to start unaliving this innocent citizen, indigenous of Wahala, and nothing will happen. You think nothing will happen? And I see people on social media. This is one of the reasons why I left Facebook. I don't even pay much attention on Facebook, because all I see on Facebook is bunch of ignorant people. Bunch of ignorant. Religion have caused us more harm than good. Religion in Africa, religion in Nigeria, let me not call Africa, because other African countries is not this bad. Religion in Nigeria have caused us more harm than good. Religion, tribalism, and sentiment and favoritism have caused us more harm than good in Nigeria. That when we see evil, we cover evil because it's done by evil, is done by our favorite. I was expecting to see this on the news everywhere in Nigeria, but believe you me, they will water this heinous crime down with water like it's nothing, because the life of citizens mean nothing to them. Will you go and unalive a citizen of America or Canada or UK? Then you see hell get loosed. I'm very, very sorry for Nigerians. You guys have a long way to go.